Get him some milk! Get him some milk! Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? This is Sean Evans checking in with a very exciting announcement. Hot Ones Truth or Dab, the play-at-home game, it is finally here. Took us long enough, but hey, look, it's finally here. I'm holding it in my hands, and today I'm gonna show you how to play, show you what's inside the box, and explain the rules. But of course, you guys know the rules. Tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. That's how you play Hot Ones Truth or Dab, the game. We wanted to make a game that would be fun to play with friends. I always love seeing people take on the Hot Ones challenge at home. So what we did is we teamed up with Wilder Toys and Heatonist to come up with this, the official Hot Ones Truth or Dab card game. Let's get into it. Step 1, open up the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, here you can see we have 250 question cards with categories like BFF, where players find out how well their friends really know them. You have roast cards, where they'll find out what they really think of them. Truth cards, pop quiz cards, one-up categories. It's insane. You have a mini bottle of the last dab, all 2 million Scoville, and then you have spoons. More about these in step 2. Step 2, what do we put the sauce on? Well, obviously for us here at the show, wings are the vessel of choice, so might I suggest, make your own wings. And who better to show you how than our own quarantine cook-off expert and Buffalo native, Cameraguy Bill. Hey, Cameraguy Bill, how should we make the wings?
What is up, Cam fam? Cameraguy Bill in the Wayne Laboratory, ready to cook up a simple chicken wing recipe for you, the viewers, for your Hot Ones Truth or Dab the game night. Let's get cooking. Step 1, take your giant jug of canola oil and dump it into the deep fryer. Bottoms up. Next, turn your deep fryer up to 350 degrees. Now that your fryer's at 350 degrees, it's time to put your chicken wing. I'm a fan of the drums, but you can also put in flats. Now that your wings are in, they're gonna cook for 8 minutes. No more, no less. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Perfect chicken wings for a perfect game night. This is Cameraguy Bill here saying it's good to be Cameraguy Bill. Crispy.
Thanks, Bill. Well, the spoons, though, they are here in case you're a hot sauce purist. If you just need to mainline it. If you just want to take it straight to the face, or if you're lazy, don't worry. The box has a bunch of mini plastic spoons. All right, step 3, let's get into how to play. It's pretty simple. We have these 250 question cards. You'll take turns being the host, being the players. When you're the player, you get asked a question by the host and you have a choice. Answer it honestly or suffer the wrath of the last dab. Once everyone in the friend group has been the host, then we have the one-up round. That's what these white cards are all about. It's a question that everyone has to answer, and the questions are designed to bring up the stories that we're just trying to forget. You just keep going and going and going until you can't take the heat anymore. All right, guys, ready to get down on some truth or dab? Let's do this, guys. Hey, this is cool. We're all wearing the same watch. All right, here's the first question. What's the meanest thing you've ever said to someone's face? Well, I'm not proud of this, but one time I told Cameraguy Bill, hey, Bill, take that camera and shove it up your take that shove it back up your inside your and if I don't see you get into the dude, chill. All right, guys, I guess it's my turn. Rank everyone in the room's job from most to least interesting. I don't know if I can answer that. I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. Hey, if you can't answer the question, dab time, baby. I guess I'll take the dab and fall on the grenade for the squad. Fill that spoon, baby, fill that spoon. Clean that spoon, clean that spoon, clean that spoon, clean that spoon, no! Clean that spoon. Get him some milk, get him some milk. All right, you ready? Who here will be most successful in 10 years? Rank everyone in the room. Well, it's not an easy question to answer, fellas. I see a lot of promise in this room. But, you know, if a push comes to shove, I really like what you got going on, man. I think you're just boom zoom straight to the moon. I think we're all gonna be working for you someday. No offense, dude. He's just got it. Hey, dude, relax. He's just answering the question. We can't all be me. Well, there you have it, Hot Ones fans. Truth or Dab the game. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Available at shop.firstwefeast.com, heatonist.com, and Amazon. Hot Ones, Truth or Dab the game. Play at your own risk. Wings not included.